Yeah, hi, morning Peter, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. I've taken it apart, I've checked the cogs, I've checked the micro switch, given that a bit of a clean for you. The cogs I've cleaned for you, re-greased, minor on there. So yeah, as you can see, it's all working. So, you shouldn't have any issues with that for a long time. But if you do, you've got a 6-month warranty on this. On the part only that I've replaced, of course, because if boards go down, that's not it's not to do with us. But I mean, everything can be done. We can do repairs on anything anyway. So, but that's basically all sorted for you. So I hope you're happy with that, and that's ready to ship as soon as I get payment. Thank you ever so much, and have a great day.